Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create registration forms in Jotform in 2026. If you want to collect signups for events, courses, or memberships, this guide will help you build a professional registration form step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Jotform account. Next, click Create Form from your dashboard to start a new form. Now choose a blank form or select a registration form template from the template library. Next, add essential fields such as name, email address, phone number, and any custom details related to your event or service. Now include additional fields like drop-downs, checkboxes, or date pickers for selecting sessions, preferences, or attendance dates. Next, arrange all fields in a clean and logical order using the drag-and-drop builder. Now customize the form title, description, colors, and layout to match your branding or event theme. Next, open the Settings section to configure confirmation messages and email notifications for new registrations. Now preview your registration form to make sure everything works correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. Finally, publish your form and share it using a link, QR code, email, or by embedding it on your website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create registration forms in Jotform. You can now collect signups quickly and professionally. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.